Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Meridian, if you don't already know. Today we're just going on a little day trip to the mountains, so we're gonna cook something nice for dinner. It'll be lots of fun, so I'm taking you guys along with me. I'll see you with my friends.
How's your neck?
It's good. See, they didn't even stop.
That was Lauren's day-to-day trip.
I think we're gonna get these sesame chicken thighs. I didn't see it. I was just like,
Where'd it go? Or leave at 5. It looks like really cold.
oh yeah, also I had this still. I didn't.
Content!
He's squeaky, guys.
Are you actually recording? I can't do that. I'm too wide.
Bro's got.
How far do we go to the festival then? Prologue, I've read that too.
See, up there's Kennecott. If you hear all that drilling noise, that's what it's from. They're mining for copper. Don't fall. No, I'm just showing. These are the These are some berries.
Oh damn, that's loaded.
On the tree. I don't know what they're called. I think Quiet said they're called juniper berries.
It's a juniper tree.
So it's kind of interesting. We're gonna get some of this dry stuff. Help us start a fire. This lights up pretty quick. There's some deer over here. I don't know if you guys can see. Try to show you guys. This is
Do they hibernate? I don't know.
potential
No, I don't think so.
print of a mountain lion. It's pretty big. So
Let me tell the viewers, I've seen 2 of these mountain lions up in this area.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, they're fucking huge.
Well, I don't have any
Because me and
form
Keaton,
of
you know, Keaton,
self-defense.
we were just
I
driving
don't
down.
have a knife.
Oh wait,
I do. We're chilling.
we were just driving down.
We might have just found something interesting over here. Somebody built some kind of shelter over here. It's kind of interesting. We're gonna go inside it. If we can't find any wood, we might have to steal some from this person's. They brought up a sign. This is kind of cool, guys. Wow. Somebody brought all this up here.
I mean, it's
fire pit
level.
right here. Some rocks around it you can't see, but
There's a lot of firewood.
it's kind of interesting. I think it might say shack.
Something shack.
Something shack. Let me know if you guys know what it is. She's got no grip on her shoes. She's wearing the Dark Martens outside. She's got some ones coming soon, but yeah, it's awfully pretty up here.
This is a good little spot.
Yeah. The view we get to see every day.
Flexing on the no no mountain.
Yep. Got some deer prints through here. They might have been just the ones we saw run through this field over here. But I think we're gonna pitch up our site right here. Looks like there's some logs to sit on, but we brought some chairs, but yeah, this might be a home for the day. This is what it's like going outdoors anywhere in Utah that it's easy to get to. Everybody just leaves trash and crap everywhere. Got some tapes, some rope kind of things. Might have to take some of this stuff back with us. It's kind of annoying, but welcome to Utah. Got my backpack hanging up right underneath that sock. Backpack here. We're gonna put yours. Yours here. Oh my gosh. That's how the dog. Don't wear Doc Martens outside, guys. It's just beautiful. Show you guys. Here's more berries on this tree. They just fall off so super easy. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. So I think we're gonna set up our stuff and then see if we can get a bunch of dry firewood so we can start a fire. Probably about right here. Yeah, I'm gonna set it up. I'm missing one of the legs on my chair. I knew it was disconnected, but I thought I still might have it, so I guess I don't, so sorry. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna balance. If not, I'm just gonna use a log. My mom's calling me. Hey mom. What's up? Ashton's over there getting some firewood. Spot's looking pretty good right now. I was trying to find some rocks to make sure this thing locks down, but it might snow in just a little bit. I might have to switch my camera. Oh, I might have to switch my camera. Enough for start it. What's this crazy chain mechanism going on? Oh yeah, that's dry. Some pretty nice dry firewood. My boyfriend here is gonna start this fire.
Attempt to start.
He doesn't know if he has some good stuff, but yeah.
I don't want to cut myself here.
Okay, put it under. So yeah, that lights up pretty good. It's a little wet though. You can see it from all that smoke coming off of it. Should we just use some fire glue? We're gonna try one more time. Oh, nice. It's all wet. See all that smoke coming off of it? Nice.
Smoked out.
It's just really wet. Okay, it's real dark right now, so I don't know how much longer you can see us, but we got this fire starter. We're real noobs on the ferro rod, so we're just gonna use that. Boo. I got a flashlight right now. But put some fire goop on. You can kind of see the fire, it's starting to go. So, I'm on the GoPro now. So we're gonna have some Caesar salad chop kit, and then we're gonna have some buttery potatoes. I brought some butter, and then we got that chicken I showed you guys we got earlier. So, I'm gonna start cooking. Okay, I'm gonna get my spork out. My mom got me this for Christmas. So I got this spork.
Here, you want to use my headlamp?
If you break it open.
Would you like to use my headlamp?
Yes, please. But yeah, my mom got me this long-handled spork. It has a knife in it and then also a ferro rod if you take this out. So I'm gonna start cooking up some chicken first, and then we'll do the potatoes since those will be quicker.
It would dissolve a mouse within like a week.
Well, that's like a bad thing on their part.
It's a little bit warm already. So we kind of just jimmy rigged this thing. Hopefully it doesn't tip over and fall, but yeah, I'm gonna put some butter in there. Okay, we got some butter from home.
It's warm. This is Brett saltine crackers. For real, dude.
The smoke is relentless.
Ooh, grilled cheese sandwich.
That would be nice.
Don't
They have
laugh
those
at me.
Camping sandwich makers at Walmart too.
Yeah.
Take this
That
and
would be amazing. That would be pretty fun doing that.
spread some butter around in there.
I mean, you could just like get
All
like
melted, so
piece of bread and cheese and throw it on the.
it's a little bit warm already. Take some of our chicken thighs.
Bro, go get the shiesty.
Looks pretty decent, so we'll use that. It might be a little too hot, but it should be. Oh, okay.
It's just like that.
Almost fell in, but
dramatic.
still cooking. But we got some embers in there a little bit, so a little bit extra flavor. Chicken's coming along.
That is boiling.
This is how the chicken's looking. Stir it up a little bit. Show you guys. I might need to flip it now.
Ooh, that look good.
It's looking pretty good. The flip.
And the fire's roaring
Woo.
now.
That fire's roaring, yeah.
Well, what the?
It's looking pretty tasty.
No, it's a Yeti.
We didn't bring a temperature meter, but we're just gonna have to cut inside and see if it's pink at all.
It was hot. My
All right. We got a little seasonings thing. I'm just gonna add probably some salt and pepper and stuff, but whew, smoke. I'm just gonna add a little bit of some garlic salt. Boy, that looks pretty good. I reckon it's about done. Okay, we're boiling up some water, dumping some potatoes, and then it's about done, so I'm gonna turn it off and put some potatoes in. Okay, we're gonna, which way does it go off? Right or left?
Counterclockwise. I mean clockwise.
Okay, so we turn that off, and then you just pour in about all the potatoes. Oh, I wanted to do it.
Go ahead.
Just kidding, go ahead.
You can do it.
And then some more. Sorry, can I? That's mine.
This is yours?
No, I think it's yours, but I'll take it because I made it all yucky.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'll give you mine. Okay. I can't do it. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Let's add some more garlic salt on that. Well, yeah, bon appetit. Oh, that's good. Good?
Very good.
Are you cold?
Just my right toe.
How's your neck feeling?
It's pretty good. Doesn't really hurt unless I like.
All right, I'm gonna try this chicken now. Let's see if it tastes any good.
You can smoke out here.
It's really juicy.
Yeah, right? Buttered sausage. Where is it going? What is it doing?
The fire's raging.
In the fire? Clean spork.
And butts in my face. That was good food. I didn't even gonna lie.
People were up there like playing frisbee and playing music and stuff. Like,
Not to have.
this is not type of life. I don't know. Was it Meridian? You tweaking, Stephanie? What is that noise?
It sounded like.
Warm up my toes.
Yeah, this is frozen.
All right, guys, thank you so much. Let me do my outro, bro. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching that video. I think we're gonna. Can you turn that off, bro?
Need lighting, bro.
I think we're gonna. I think we're just gonna chill around the campfire a little bit longer, and then clean up. My camera's gonna die soon, so catch you guys next time. We got some yummy shakes. Got a root beer float. It's room temperature.
What is that? Is that a pickle?
That's a big ass pickle.
That's a huge pickle.
All right, see you guys.